So 23%, we want to write this as a decimal and as a fraction. So to change a percentage to a decimal, we divide by 100, which means that we move the decimal point 2 to the left. So we're going to go 1, 2, so it ends here. So 23% is the same as 0.23. Now to write this as a fraction, we write 23 over 100 because percentage means out of 100. So we've got 23 out of 100 and that doesn't simplify any further. So let's do the same for 48%. So to write this as a decimal, we divide by 100, which means moving the decimal place 1, 2. So this becomes 0.48. And to write it as a fraction, it becomes 48 over 100. Now, these are both even numbers, so we can divide by 2 top and bottom. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Still even numbers, so we can divide by 2 again. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. And that's as far as we can go. Lastly, we've got 5%. So, to write this as a decimal, we move the decimal place 2 to the left. 1, 2. So this time I've got to make sure I put the 0 in. So as a decimal, 5% becomes 0.05. As a fraction, we start again as 5 over 100, always over 100, because that's what percentage means. And if you have a number ending in a 5 and another number ending in a 0, then 5 divides into both of them. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. And there's my final answer.